son? Are you okay? Had a bad dream?
Go get Mommy!
Then I have to wake her up. Dad already knows that waking up Mom in the middle of the night isn't the best idea. Oh, no. I'm not doing that. We're gonna have to think of something else. Hold on. Cardboard. I have an idea. The boy is already asleep? Who's that? It's Dad! He printed out Mommy's face. Well, most importantly, it worked. You did well. Working from home sometimes can be a challenge.
Whoops!
When you have a small kid, the challenge is even bigger. Oh my paper!
Mommy, I'm so sorry.
Computer? Book! Oh dear, even Mom's skirt is soaking wet from the spilled juice. It's my favorite skirt. This is so bad. Huh? Plastic wrap? Here is some new juice, dear son. But wait a second. Let's make it a spill-free glass. Just use some plastic wrap, like so, and secure it with tape. Wrap it around. You'll see, son. You'll love this. Cut, and now just put in the straw.
Thank you, Mommy. Whoops! Oh, it didn't spill. Nice!
You see, you have a smart mommy. What is taking her so long? Finally, can I go now? What? Why does she have toilet paper on her feet? Oh no! Look at all this mess! The girl clearly didn't know how much paper to use and got a bit carried away. Now, how should I teach her? It fell! Hey, I think I know what I should do. To teach your kid how to use the correct amount of toilet paper, just put a fun mark next to it. That way the kid will know when to stop.
I want to try it too.
Look at the mark. Now stop. Good job! You've got it! No more messy bathrooms! Knitting is Mom's favorite.
Hey, Mommy.
Hello, dear. Good candy?
Mm-hmm. But I don't want it anymore.
Yikes! Lollipops and yarn don't go well together. But Mom didn't notice just yet. What did you say? I'm so into this knitting, sorry. Yuck! It's getting closer.
I said I don't want it anymore.
Huh? Candy? Ew! Don't tell me you threw it into my yarn!
Oh, I want it back. Please give it to me, Mommy.
Kids' wishes change so quickly. But what to do with the sticky candy? Mom seems to have a perfect idea. Mom is using balloons from the party and tying new candy to the ribbon. This looks interesting, but how will it work? Here you go. Try this new candy.
Good. But I don't want it anymore. Thanks.
Wow! The candy is floating in the air. That's really amazing. Now he can have his candy anytime he wants without any consequences. Smart mama. My baby. I'm glad you like it. Now I can continue with my knitting. Oops! Candy in my yarn again. Oh, shoot.
Achoo.
Here's your medicine. Please, sweetie.
No, I don't wanna.
Hey!
I don't like it.
But you need to take it if you want to get better.
I want this. I want Coca-Cola.
First, you need to take your medicine. Wait. Medicine? Cola? I've got an idea. Will she find a way to give medicine to her daughter?
So yummy! I love cola!
There's always a way for everything, like hiding a medicine bottle behind a can of soda. What a smart way to help your children take medicine. And they lived happily ever after. Kids need bedtime stories to fall asleep. Hey, is he asleep? Let's go play some board games. Yes, he is sleeping. Finally, the parents can have their own fun time.
Mommy, don't go! Please! I want another tale!
Oh, no. Okay, dear, I'll read it to you. See? I can't come and play. Hey! We can do the smartest thing ever using your voice and your phone. Phone? Voice? Oh, that's brilliant! Baby, I'll be right back to read a story for you. I just have to tell your father a few things. What are they up to? With their pockets filled with the jewels, they ran outside as fast as they could. They're recording a bedtime story with Mom's voice to the phone, so their son will be able to sleep peacefully and the parents can have their own fun time. The end.
Perfect.
The kid is asleep. Now it's time to use the recording. Then she went back to that vase. For what had she felt under the key? Why, the vase had
Success!
precious jewels.
Come on, come on!
We'll hear Mom's voice and sleep peacefully.
Oh no, this is bad! Wake up, sweetie! We overslept! We need to get you ready for school! We're gonna be late!
Oh no! I don't want to be late for school!
Okay, let's put a sweater on you. What else?
Wow, not a single second wasted. Dad's doing everything at once. And look at this, he is all ready.
Okay, we're done. Here's your backpack. Oh no! Your hair! I totally forgot!
I can't go like this! Do something!
Okay, let's try this. This is for hair, right?
Dad!
Maybe if I add another one.
This is not working!
Well, okay. Think of something, think! Aha! I know! Let's use a vacuum cleaner to tie her hair.
Just put a hair tie at the end of the tube, turn on the vacuum, and use it to grab all the hair. Now all that's left is to tie it. You're doing a great job, Dad. Wow! And it wasn't so hard. But guys, aren't you a bit late? Shaving is an everyday ritual for dads.
Hey, Dad, what are you doing?
Just shaving, son.
I want to shave too! Please!
And little boys want to act like their dads.
Well, okay.
Like daddy, like son. He's got shaving foam all over his face. The boy is shaving with his finger. After shaving, Dad washes his face. Of course, son does the same. It's important to dry the face. For the son, too.
Dad, I'm like you now!
After shaving, cologne is Dad's favorite part.
Ah, so good.
Can I have some too?
Here you go.
La la la. Ah!
What?
Dad!
I forgot that kids' skin is so sensitive. Let me clean it. Oh my, so sorry, so sorry. But hey, I know.
Dad knows what to do when his kid comes next time he's shaving. He's just using the empty cologne bottle, filling it with water, and putting on a shaving cologne sticker. Next morning, it's the same story as Dad predicted.
Dad, I want to do what you do. Please, give me that.
I have a new shaving cologne for you, my little man.
Let's try. Oh, it doesn't hurt this time. Thanks, Dad.
Great, you are a real man now.
Beautiful dad and son moment together.
Oh no!
The girl's head is very close to a sharp table corner. She could easily get hurt. This reminds Dad of the time when he hurt himself pretty badly with it. Table corners can be real killers.
Oh no. This is too painful to remember. I'd better do something.
Tennis ball? What is Dad planning to do? Look at this! No more sharp corners. Dad just puts tennis balls on every possible corner. Now this is real child safety.
Oh no! What is this? The rug is rolled back? Someone could trip over that. I need to fix it. Quick!
Dad is very protective, but is it really necessary? Maybe it doesn't look too good, but it sure is safe. Let's do some makeup. Let's see. Mom is about to put on makeup. I'm in the mood for eyeshadow. What? It's all broken. Oh no! How could this have happened? Okay, some mascara then. Huh? It's broken too? But how? Huh? A lot of Mommy's makeup is on the ground. But where is this trail leading to? Who is responsible for this? Uh-oh, the kid is playing with her makeup. What are you doing with my makeup? Oh dear, son. Huh? Is he going to eat it? Oh, no, stop! Baby, you can't eat makeup. Your belly will hurt if you do. Oh my. What to do? Huh? Chocolate? Lipstick? I know what to do. Moms know many crafts, so here's just one of them. Just take the chocolate, put it in the spoon, and melt it. Oh, yes. This will be awesome. When it's melted, just take the empty lipstick container and pour it in. Wait some time till it freezes. And you won't believe it. We have a safe, edible lipstick.
Mommy, give me your lipstick.
No, son, it's Mommy's.
Please.
But I have a special lipstick just for you.
For me?
Yes, baby, you will love it.
I wonder what it tastes like. Yummy!
Smart and safe. Playing outside is always fun.
Mommy, look at my hands.
What? How did you get so dirty? Look at you. You have to wash your hands.
No, I won't. I don't want to.
Wash them now, please.
Well, okay.
Wash them thoroughly, till they get nice and clean.
Okay, I'm done.
No. It's painful to watch. The hands are not clean at all. Oh no, what do I do? Wait, she left her toy. Looks like this just gave Mom an idea. For this, just put a small toy in a container and pour some liquid soap base on top. Let it harden, and voila! You have yourself an interesting hand soap. Now your kid won't resist. Look, the girl is willingly washing her hands. And now she's taking her time with it. Simple and effective. Yay!